Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Facebook account security, and in this video I will show you on how to review your login device activity in your Facebook account in order to protect your account for maximum security and stop hacker from getting your Facebook account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Facebook app. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on this three slider from the top. Scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Go ahead and click on settings. Go ahead and click on account center. Click on password and security. Then go ahead and click on where you were logging. Select your Facebook account. Then you have all your account login activity right here. If you find out any of the device you are logging in right here that is not really clear to you, like for instance, I have Facebook for Windows on phone, which is on no location, for PC, this and that. You can also click on here to open the device detail. Then you have everything about your device detail right here with your recently login from the location and everything. But for here, if you find out that there are some of the devices that are logging into your account and you do not recognize them, but in this regard, logging on other devices. So if you find out that some of the devices right here are not your login device activities, it is the best thing for you is to take proper action to secure your account. Just go ahead and click on select devices to log out. So from the various options right here, select the activities you do no longer understand. So go ahead and click on here, for instance. Go ahead and click on it. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on logout right here. Once you click on logout, the device will be completely logged out remotely from your Facebook account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to secure your Facebook account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.